Let's practice DNA replication using this DNA fragment that you can see right here. Notice the nitrogen base pairing between the two different strands. C bonds with G, T bonds with A. Those are the base pairing rules for DNA nitrogen base pair bonding. DNA replication initiates when the double helix unwinds, and DNA polymerase, the enzyme, is used to add the nucleotides to the growing chain. How do they add what nucleotides? It's based on the base pairing rules. So when you start with A in the original strand of DNA, you'll add a T. When you have a G, you'll add a C. And you continue to go down the strand from the 5' to 3' direction. T bonds with A, G bonds with C, A bonds with T, C bonds with G, G bonds with C, T bonds with A, C bonds with G, G bonds with C, T bonds with A bonds with T, T bonds with A, and C bonds with G. Okay, so remember with DNA replication, you have replication happening along both strands simultaneously. And so for the other strand, you'll go ahead and continue replicating using DNA polymerase to add the nucleotides to the growing chain. So if you have G in the original molecule of DNA, you will add a C. If you have an A, you'll add a T. If you have a T, you'll add an A. If you have an A, you'll add a T. If you have a C, you'll add a G. A G, you'll have a C. If you have an A, you have a T. C, you'll add G. And if you have G, you'll have C. And if you have T, you'll add A, C, G, A, T there, C bonds with G, and T bonds with A. And there you have completed replication. You now have two identical strands of DNA produced from just one.